Getting the correct specification when designing for extreme conditions. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we look at the importance of ensuring the correct specifications when designing for extreme conditions and maintaining an acceptable level of interior thermal comfort for building occupants. As sound control is critical on your project, make sure that you include AMA 1801 in your specification. Most likely, you'll be working again with acoustic consultants to determine OITC and STC levels that you need to maintain an acceptable level of interior comfort. Include these ratings in your specification. Be prepared to include the glass makeup or insulated glass units that were created and found to reach the STC performance that you need in the system you're using. Provide as much specificity in your specification as you can. Be very specific about the glass units and the acoustic performance required for each job. Make sure that's included in the specification. While we're talking about sound, let's look at another point here. This is a section cut through a typical curtain wall. We've taken great steps now to try to stop sound entering from the interior. But on some projects, such as high-rise multifamily projects, you're also concerned about sound within the building passing one floor to the next. Sound can travel through mullions, past floor lines, and move from one floor to the next. Here's an example of a typical curtain wall that you see here on the far left. And in this curtain wall, sound generated on one floor can reverberate up through the mullions past a floor line to the next floor. Now, this might not be that big an issue in a typical office building or commercial building, but when you move to a high-rise multifamily project, sound moving from one floor to the next is a big issue. So in a case like that, you might want to consider using window wall systems. Window wall systems don't bypass the slab edge, they're set within it. So sound moving through the frames hits the next slab and stops, and it can't pass from one floor to the next. You look at these two details beside each other, they're designed to mimic the same look. It looks like an aluminum framing system moving up the exterior of the building with sunshades on it. The detail on the left is a curtain wall application that would be fine for a commercial project, where the detail in the center is showing a window wall system, which is the detail you want for a high-rise multifamily system. This detail and system application is designed to prevent sound moving from one floor to the next, and at the same time stop sound moving from the exterior to the interior. So you're focusing here on interior acoustical performance or interior occupant comfort. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.